A court in Delhi has summoned Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The BJP MP and the outgoing Wrestling Federation of India or WFI chief was summoned by the court in connection with the sexual harassment charges levelled against him by the country's top female wrestlers. As many as 6 women wrestlers have accused Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh of sexually harassing and intimidating them. The 6-time MP still maintains that he has not committed any crime. The Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi issued summons to Brij Bhushan Singh after taking cognizance of the charge sheet in the case. He has been asked to appear in court on July 18th. The court has also issued summons to the Assistant Secretary of Brij Bhushan Singh, Vinod Tomar. On June 2nd, Delhi police filed 2 FIRs and 10 complaints based on sexual harassment allegations by wrestlers against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The complaints against the WFI chief mentioned several inappropriate behaviors. It said that Singh attempted inappropriate touching. He allegedly put his hand over the chest of girls, moved his hand from the chest to the back, and even chased them. The city police had filed a charge sheet against him on June 15th under sections 354, 354A, 354D and 506 of the Indian Penal Code or IPC. Section 354 is for assault or criminal force to a woman with intent to outrage her modesty, 354A for sexual harassment, 354D for stalking, and Section 506 of the IPC is for criminal intimidation. Another FIR was filed against Singh based on allegations made by a minor wrestler, which was registered under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences or POCSO Act. She was among the 7 female grapplers who had accused Singh of sexual harassment. Singh's assistant Vinod Tomar was charged with offences under sections 109, 354, 354A and 506 of the IPC. Section 109 of the IPC charges a person for abetment of any offence if the act abetted is committed in consequence and where no express provision is made for its punishment. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has denied all allegations of sexual misconduct and even issued a defiant statement refuting all charges.